My name is Lynne McIlvride, and I've been on the studio tour for over 30 years. What I'm doing right now is, for the studio tour, is a continuation of what I've been doing for the last year or two. I guess a couple of years ago I was doing a commission for a church in Toronto, and in it I started to carve the frame. And that was the first time I realized how much I loved wood carving. And so that really turned into this entire series of relief carvings that I've then added beadwork sometimes, and layers of acrylic paint, sometimes oil paint, and often I paint it and then recarve it and then repaint it. So it's a very layered, lengthy process. One of the really wonderful things about the studio tour this year is that because you have to make appointments, you get to talk one-on-one with the artists, and you get all their attention for maybe a brief period of time, but I think it's a much richer way of interacting with the artist. And also, if somebody's a student or you have children who are art students, it's a fantastic opportunity for them to really ask questions about what it's like to work in certain media, what it's like to be an artist. That's one of the silver linings to the COVID situation. That may not happen again. So I think people should take advantage of the fact that they're going to be seeing people one-on-one that normally they see in a crowd.